It's not just speculation that leads one to believe that Colonel Nathan Dudley was working for Dolan. In fact, the idea of a criminal conspiracy against Billy the Kid has a strong foundation dating all the way back to the records of Billy's time. When Dolan was relieved of his command after the Battle of Lincoln, he was subject to a court-martial for his actions during those days, as well as civil suits by Mrs. McSween for slander against her murdered husband. The following is a list of charges he was being brought up on during that court-martial of 1879. 1. Conspiracy with the Dolan-Riley party to aid and assist them in measures of violence against McSween. 2. An agreement with one of the parties of the feud to afford them protection and aid against the other party. 3. Allowing the McSween house to be fired and thus endangering the lives of women and children therein. 4. Failure to protect these women and children after they had left the burning house. 5. Not preventing the pillaging of the Tunstall store after the burning of the McSween house. 6. Failure to protect Chapman after the aid of the military had been sought to this end, but referring to him as one of the murderers, horse thieves, and escaped convicts infesting the country, thereby excluding Chapman from the protection of the forces at his command. 7. Aspersions on the character of a woman. 8. The publication of newspaper articles reflecting on policy of Governor Wallace. 9. The publication with improper motives of certain official documents furnished him to aid his defense before the Board of Inquiry. All of the previous charges fall under the category conduct unbecoming of an officer and gentleman. In addition to this, there was a second set of charges falling under the category disobedience to orders. Despite the numerous charges, witness testimony against him, including the testimony of Billy the Kid, the judge still saw fit to dismiss every single one. It's no longer speculation that Dolan owned Dudley and the courts of the time. It's flat-out corruption. Corruption that Billy and the regulators were the only ones brave enough to risk their lives to stop.